Hi, it's Linda with the Mitchell Group, and I want to welcome you to 6479 West Ashcroft Avenue. Can you say entertainer's dream home? This house features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths on an oversized lot with 3243 square feet. I can't wait to take you inside. So one of the questions we get asked a lot with two-story homes is there an isolated bedroom downstairs? Let me show you. There is. So one of the things I absolutely love about this home is the oversized lot. Let's take a look. This huge backyard is made for entertaining. With the 2 gazebos and all the sitting area, I can just imagine what you can do out here with family and friends. So now you've seen some of the highlights of this beautiful home. Give us a call and we can schedule a full tour. And you can also go to 6479ashcroft.com. Thank you.